Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to answer a question that I actually got in my comments from one of my videos. And the question is, what credit cards can I get after bankruptcy? Now remember you guys, if you guys file bankruptcy, you know that is going to lower your credit scores when the bankruptcy is added to your credit reports. Now, I really want you guys to start working on your credit to try to get your credit scores up so that you can get all credit cards. But after you file bankruptcy, you have to start off with secure credit cards. So if you guys want me to look at your credit reports, don't forget, go ahead and call me at 833-RICKITA. I can look at your credit reports and I can personally tell you which credit cards you guys can apply for. But let me show you these credit cards here, and hopefully you guys will call me and we can figure out which ones will be best for you. So the first account that I want to talk about is a self account. Now this self account, you guys, is actually an installment account. So when you want to build your credit score up, you may want to get an installment account added to your credit reports. Now the only reason why I'm telling you guys about this account is, for this account, you have to pay monthly on it for a whole year, correct? That's how it's going to happen. Now, when you pay monthly on the account, they're going to report to the credit bureaus and it's going to boost your credit score up. I'm going to pop something up on the screen right here where you can see that my credit scores went up a total of 155 points since being with Self. Now, as you keep paying every month on this account, after 3 months, you'll be able to get their secure credit card. When you get that secured credit card, that's going to be another account that's going to report to the credit bureaus. Now, to sign up for that account, you would just go to the website, and I will have all of these down in the description, guys. So just go to the website and fill out the application. You click right here on Get Started. Now, they have different plans. So they have a $25 plan, a $35 plan. They have a $48 plan and a $150 plan. Now, if you was to pick the $25 or the $35 plan, remember I told you guys you're going to have to pay this for 12 months and they're going to report to credit bureaus for 12 months. If you pick the $25 or the $35 plan, you actually have to pay on it for 2 years. So I always tell people to pick the plan that I pick, which is $48 per month. Now, after you get in this account, you'll be able to get their secured card in about 3 months. Just make sure you pay your bill on time and you at least have $100 in your account, and you'll be able to get their secure credit card, and that will report to the credit bureaus. So that is one credit card that you guys can get. The next credit card that I want to talk to you guys about is the credit builder card. Now with the credit builder card, this is a good card that you guys can get because they're going to report to the credit bureaus in about 2 weeks, which is really good, you guys. You want the companies that's going to report to the credit bureaus quickly. Remember, when a credit card reports to the credit bureaus quickly, it's going to boost your credit score, which will make it easier for you to get other credit cards. So you want them to report to the credit bureaus quickly. But this is a secure credit card that you guys can get to start off with getting credit cards. And remember, you guys, they're going to report to the credit bureaus in as little as 2 weeks, and they will make sure that they're going to report that $200 line that you get with the credit card. Now, you're able to get 2 credit cards with them, which will be 2 credit cards, but you'll have to put a deposit down of $400. But then you'll see 2 separate accounts reporting to the credit bureaus. So that is another credit card you guys can do, which is a credit builder card. Now, this next account that I'm going to tell you guys about is the AG Jewelers. Sometimes people want to build their credit scores fast and they want to only get a credit card just to build their credit. If that's you, you just want to get an account that's going to report to the credit bureaus because you just want to build your credit. You don't care too much about using it. Then this is a great account you guys should look into. Now, let me just kind of give you a quick rundown on this account. They're going to report a $10,000 line of credit to all 3 credit bureaus for you. And then on top of them reporting this account to all 3 credit bureaus, you only have to pay $149 for them to do that. And then every year after that, you want to have to pay $99. And that's actually very good, you guys. It's kind of like getting a trade line added to your credit report. The only thing is, it's yours. It's not going to fall off. So definitely, you guys, look into getting an account with them. And if you want to buy things with your credit, you can. But I don't suggest it. I just like to tell people about this if they're just looking to get credit cards just because they want to boost their credit score. Now, the next company I want to tell you guys about is the Open Sky credit card. Now, with this credit card, they approve anybody for this credit card. And the only reason why I say anybody is because they don't check your credit. So you're not going to get a hard pull on your credit reports at all. Some of these companies may actually pull your credit reports. And if you have any questions about that, go ahead and drop it down below and I will answer those questions for you guys. But like I said, too, this company right here, they will not pull your credit reports. You can go ahead and click right here on Apply Now. Now, they're going to ask for the same information a lot of these companies will ask for. So go ahead and just fill in your information, first and last name, email address. Go ahead and put your address in here and your phone number. Now, they're going to ask you financial questions. A lot of companies will ask you financial questions, but you're asking for a secure credit card. They're not going to ask you to send in any verification for any of these credit cards regarding your income at all or your rent. So just go ahead and just put whatever you want to put to the best of your knowledge. Don't go and, oh my gosh, I gotta have these exact numbers. Just go ahead and put estimates in. It'll be fine. And put your social, your date of birth, and this one right here asks for a security word. And then sign your agreements. And here's your agreement here. You would just click right here if you agree, and then do your security deposit. Now, the reason why I showed you all these different things is because I just want you to see these are all secure credit cards where you have to put money down on them. So this is what the application will look like for most of them. So you can start off with $200 up to $3,000. Remember I told you guys about the credit builder card. They only have a $200 credit card. There's not an option to put, $500, $600, $1,000, even $3,000 down like the Open Sky credit card. So if you do want to have a credit card with a higher balance, maybe you want to look into something like this because you could put up to $3,000 down. Now, the next account that I want to talk to you guys about is the Credit One Bank credit card. And I kind of want to say this for now, kind of between them, like in the middle of the video, because with this credit card, I've seen people get this credit card after bankruptcy, after a month after filing bankruptcy, and it's not a secure credit card. Now, with this credit card, they're going to pull your Experian credit report. They will like to see your credit score about a 550. So just go ahead and try them out to see if you can get this credit card. And you can click right here to see if you pre-qualify, to go ahead and see if you pre-qualify for this credit card. Now, this credit card, they do have like high annual fees. Now, the reason why I say they're high is because I talked to a client that said they pay $79 as their annual fee with them. That's a high amount to pay for a credit card that you only may get a $300 or a $500 limit with. But just if you want to get a credit card, I suggest you just go ahead and get started, because remember, the biggest thing about building your credit is just having something report to the credit bureaus that you're paying on time. So I suggest you guys just go ahead and click on see if you pre-qualify and try to see if you can get approved for this account. Now, the next account I want to talk to you guys about is the New Coast Direct. Now with this is a $5,000 account that will be added to your credit reports. It's very, very similar to the AG Jewelers. And the reason why I want to talk to you guys about the New Coast Direct is because with this account right here, you have to pay $95 and you have to buy something for $100. And it's only going to be a $5,000 account. So if you guys heard about this, you wanted to do it, I just found out about the AG Jewelers. So now I'm telling people to do this account because you will get $10,000 added and not just $5,000 here with this account. And it's only going to be $150 compared to here. You have to spend $95 and still buy something for $100. So if you're thinking about getting that account, definitely look into the AG Jewelers instead of doing the New Coast Direct. And then the other company I used to always tell my clients about is the My Jewelers Club. So definitely go ahead and check out the AG Jewelers and let me know if you guys have any questions about them. But if you want to strictly boost your credit score up and you're just trying to find a way to boost your credit score up, I want you guys to look into Kickoff. Now with Kickoff, my credit score went up 37 points in 2 weeks. I thought it was 36 points, but me and my clients, we looked through some of my documents and we seen that it was actually 37 points. So I got an extra point that I thought I didn't get. But listen, that was in 2 weeks. So I definitely want you guys to look into getting Kickoff, because if they report to the credit bureaus for you, then hopefully your credit scores will go up, and hopefully it goes up about the same amount that mine went up or even more. So definitely look into this. And this is a free account that you guys can set up. You guys can sign up for. Now, if you guys have any questions, or say if you need help with like removing inquiries from your credit reports, say if you guys trying to get some accounts removed from your credit reports, definitely go ahead and call and text us. My phone number is 833 Rickita, and make sure you guys subscribe, like this video, and drop a comment. Let me know what questions you want me to answer later on. I can go ahead and make you a personalized video, and go ahead and share it to your Facebook page and Instagram page, and put hashtag Rickita. Thank you.